Hey guys, what's going on? This is DCX Albrecht. I haven't done a video in a while, and I figured, you know what, I better check in on my YouTube channel. Crypto's down right now. It's down. I mean, that's what you get with the cryptocurrency scheme. Yeah. So right now, hold. Don't sell, don't panic sell, and I mean, if you already have, try to scoop up some more coins while you can. I'm going to go back at it. Digibyte, man, is very much in development. They've been doing a lot of stuff. I've seen Jared Tate. He's been very active recently compared to, say, 6 months ago. They've been releasing new software updates for the core wallet. And then I've also seen that more exchanges and stuff are constantly being added for Digibyte. So Digibyte is growing. The community is more active than ever, which is crazy because 6 months ago, or 4 months ago or whatever, Digibyte was almost up, 13, 14 cents. And, I was on the Reddit, and I feel like the Reddit is more active than it was, back then, because I don't know what it is. It's kind of crazy. It's cool that the community kind of comes together. They're able to, collaborate. Like I was saying, there's more exchanges constantly being added. It'd be really cool if we get Slush Pool added. If you look at the link in my video description, I've added a link of the proposal I've made for Slush Pool. It's pretty basic. We're just trying to get, right now we're at level 1. We're just taking that first step, and we're going to see if Slush will actually, the admins will approve the proposal, and then users can actually go in and vote on it. So it would be a milestone for Digibyte and the community as a whole if Slush Pool added Digibyte. It would be mind-blowing. I mean, you're talking about the coin blowing up. You're going to have more miners, more hash rate on the network. It's going to be pretty crazy. So, yeah, if you have time, go ahead, click read more or expand the video description and click on that link and just check it out. Give me some feedback. I'm not the best at, typing up letters or proposals, but, I figure, hey, I'll make the first step. If you guys got something better, go for it. Make it better, make it more constructive, more professional, because that's what we need. We need the community to kind of come together and start getting more and more involvement. So, but just a little quick update for me. I actually had to sell 2 of my NVIDIA GeForce 1070 Ti cards. Kind of got in a little situation over the holidays, so, but it was kind of cool because I actually sold them more than what I bought them for, so it was kind of nice. But anyways, I'm still mining away, still hashing. I'm getting around 430 to 480 coins a day, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just holding away. I've got my wallet on my computer. I'm using actually a Trezor right now, and I've used the custom back end so that I can store my coins on the Trezor. But anyways, guys, I hope everything's going good for you in the cryptocurrency world. I hope you guys are staying strong. Like I said, just hold. It's going to get better, and it's going to be worth it. You're going to look back and be like, oh, I'm so glad I held on to the coins. It's hard to think like that, but I'm telling you, man, I've been in the cryptocurrency scene, I'm sorry, I keep saying scheme, scene for, a couple years, and I've seen the trends, the market trends. This is normal. It's going to correct itself, and then it's going to take off. So, just hang tight, and we'll see you guys down the road.